Janice and we are sisters. And for today's video, we're learning animals from in the jungle. Let's get started. So friends, do you know what animal is this? You're right. It's a monkey. Good job. Guys, you know what animal is this? Wait, it's a lion. So friends, do you know what animal is this? You're right, it's an elephant. Wow. Guys, you know what animal is this? You're right, it's a giraffe. Wow, it's really long, it's really tall. So friends, what animal is this? You're right, it's a tiger. Run for your life. Guys, look, it's a bear. Oh, please. Guys, you know what animal is this? Right, it's a bear. I love bears. Friends, do you know what animal is this? You're right, it's a deer. Good job. Guys, look, it's a snake. Guys, what does this called? Right, it's a snake. I hate snakes. Friends, you know what animal is this? You're right, it's a frog. Good job. So friends, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if you like it. And subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to Vanessa's Fun World. And to Jasmine the Nice Gamers. It is in the link in the description down below. So bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.